Want to earn big? Up to 5 lakhs per month from anywhere, anytime. For students and working professionals, continuous learning is the key to growth. India's online degree and certificate market is already worth 36,000 crores and will grow to 88,000 crores by 2030. RiseUpp is the one-stop destination for online degrees, certificates and upskilling courses founded by IIT and IIM alumni and backed by Microsoft and Google. Here you will find over 1,000 online degree programs, 12,000 certificate courses and 9,000 free courses from 800 plus top universities and companies. As an affiliate, your role is to generate leads. RiseUpp handles everything else: counseling, admissions, scholarships, loan processing, operations, and placement support. And here's the best part. We share 40 to 60% of our net revenue with you. 1 to 2 admissions per month, 40%. 3 to 10 admissions per month, 50%. 10 plus admissions per month, 60%. With monthly payouts and detailed statements shared directly with you. Plus, you'll receive product training, digital marketing training, and ready-to-use content and creative ideas so you can start strong from day one. Getting started is simple. Step 1. Register and receive your welcome email with your unique partner code. Step 2. Create your affiliate link by adding your code to the RiseUpp website URL. Step 3. Share your link on WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, or email. The more you share, the more you earn. Here's the math.
One online MBA enrollment can earn you 20,000 rupees. With just 5 enrollments, that's 1 lakh in your pocket.
You'll get instant email confirmations whenever you earn and a monthly payout summary with your total commissions. No confusion, no delays, just real earnings. The market is booming and our top affiliate partners are already earning 1 to 5 lakhs every month. And you could be next. Don't miss this opportunity. Register as a RiseUpp affiliate partner today. Share your link and start earning. Together, let's rise with RiseUpp.